Ever set a goal, but only to find you don't have motivation down the line? Well, you're not alone. Learning something new has always been scary, but there are a few easy ways to hack self-discipline that'll make life a little bit easier for you. In this video, I'm actually going to share with you a few easy ways that's worked for me over the years and hope that they work for you as well. What I'm going to introduce you to is SMART goals. You might have heard about it or you may not have, but SMART goals are an effective way to kind of go through the goal system. So what are SMART goals? Well, it's an acronym. SMART, S-M-A-R-T. S stands for specific. Is something specific? Is your goals specific? Second is the measurable, which is M. Can you define your goal and have a measurable outcome? Third is A, which is achievable. Can you achieve your goal? Or is it realistic? Fourth is relevance. Is it relevant to what you're working on? And the last one, T, is time. Do you have a time of when you're going to reach that end goal? Maybe it's to work out by a certain amount of time, or maybe it's to hit a milestone. When are you going to hit the time? So that is SMART, SMART goals. Now, why SMART goals? So SMART goals are important because that way you'll know exactly what you're going to be doing and where it's going to lead. Number two, prioritizing tasks wisely. The next thing to do is to make sure you're prioritizing tasks. Now, often we have several different priorities, but what is your true one priority? It's a singular, one word. That helps you figure out what is the most important thing you should do. Now, you can separate tasks into different sections, but you'll still have one priority. Number three is recording your progress. It's a very important step to staying along your goals to make sure you're achieving it and whether you're on track or not. If you think about a ship, when it's leaving a harbor, it knows where its end destination is. So even though it might veer off course, it can still guide because it knows what the progress is. So if you think about that, that's going to help you record your progress and see how you need to adjust to achieve your goal. A few different ways in which you can actually record your progress is using tracking apps, a journal, or simply just using Google Sheet or Excel to keep track of your goals. According to Psychological Bulletin, monitoring your progress can improve behavioral performance and the likelihood of attaining one's goal. And number four is limiting distractions. Can you limit the distractions to make sure your work gets done timely? That's going to help you improve. And one way in doing so is using the Pomodoro technique. It's very simple. So you work for 25 minutes with focus time and then you take a 5-minute break. So you can set a timer and you have that focus time of working and then you take a break. And that time and that break can repeat itself. Some other techniques are time blocking or eat the frog that can help you stay consistent. Or you can simply put a do not disturb mode on your phone to help you focus. If not, lock your phone away. Number five is forgiving your failures. What happens if you fail? That's okay. It's important to forgive yourself. Reflect on them, learn instead of quitting, and adjust so you can be better next time around. So here were some methods that's helped me stay consistent with my goals. So I want to stay and help you be consistent with your goals. Let me know in the comments, what is your goal that you're working towards right now and how are you staying consistent with your goals?